Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to use the most popular text reveal animation in your WordPress website using animation add-ons. So to use the text reveal animation, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on the animation add-ons and then click on the extensions and just click there, smooth scroll it and make sure that you have enabled the text animation extensions. And then go to the WordPress page and find the page where you want to implement the text reveal animations. For example, I want to implement the text reveal animations in this page. So click on the edit with the Elementor and it may take some time to reload the page. Now you can see that I want to implement the text reveal animations in this text. So when I select the text, you can see that there is an options to select the text animation. So I'm gonna select the text reveal, and I want to see the text reveal animations on the editor mode. That's why I'm gonna turn on the text reveal animations on editor mode, and you can see that the text reveal is applying. But now let me decrease the Stagger to looks more modern. You can see that the text animation is working, and let me decrease the delay. Now if I click on again, and you can see that the very nice and the beautiful text reveal effect is appearing here. So now let me describe that what is delay, duration and Stagger. So what is delay? So delay is the amount of time in seconds you wait before the animation starts. So if you set the delay in 2 seconds, the animation will begin 2 seconds later instead of starting right away. For example, I keep here 2 seconds and I click on it, 1, 2. And then you can see the animation is started after 2 seconds. And so, okay, I'm going to keep it like 1.5 seconds delay for the testing purpose. And the second thing is the durations. So the duration is the total time in seconds that an animation takes to complete the animation from start to finish. For example, if I set the duration, for example, like 4, just for make you understand, the animation will finish its movement in 4 seconds. Okay, let's play. You can see that the animation is taking 4 seconds times to finish its movement. So I hope you understand what actually the duration is, and I'm gonna keep it like 1 second because 1 second is good enough to actually 1 second is the perfect durations for the text reveal animations. Even you can if you want to make it more faster, you can give it like 0.5 seconds and you can see that it's more faster. Okay, now let's come to the Stagger. So actually Stagger controls how each element starts one after another instead of all at once. For example, if you set the Stagger here like the 0. For example 2 seconds, and if you can play, that you can see that the each item, you can here the item means that each character, because the text reveals occurs actually based on the character. So each character begins its animations 0.2 seconds after the previous one. So what does this means actually? As we are creating the character animations, and if we set it to 0.2 seconds, each character begins its animations 0.2 seconds after the previous one. So the E will starts its animations just after 0.2 seconds of the W, and A will start its animation just after 0.2 seconds of the E. I hope you understand. So we can say that the Stagger creates a smooth sequence effect. So now if you can see that if I increase the value of Stagger like the 0.5 seconds, and if I click on the play, now you can see that each character is taking a 0.5 seconds as a delay to start its movement or to start its animations. So we can see that effect. So I hope you understand how the text reveal animations work. And now if you want to know the page load, play with scroll, I have created the separate video for this, and you can check that from that word animations or from the character animations or even from the text move animations. The implementation is quite simple, quite same, so that's I'm not going to describe this in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's describe the text skill in the next video. Till now, thank you.